And good morning mga kapitbahay. Love ng Kapitbahay USA. Good morning everyone. Happy Valentine's, February 14, 2025. I just woke up mga kapitbahay. So literally, I just woke up and I didn't wash my face or anything because I saw this present on the table from my hubby. Just want to share with you guys. Ayan, I have a Japan crate. Ayan, I don't know what's inside. I couldn't open it. But I have this heart-shaped lamp, mga kapitbahay. And also I have this candy flower. And I have a beautiful card here. Ayan, mga kapitbahay, from my husband. Ayan. Then also I have a coconut candle, mga kapitbahay. And of course, I have this. And I have a chocolate. And cookies and cocoa. And I have a toy over here. And a big mug, mga kapitbahay. Mga kapitbahay, this is all I got for 2025 Valentine's, February 14th. Ayan, mga kapitbahay. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Ayan, happy Valentine's to all. Love you all, mga kapitbahay.